Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to update Eclipse Java IDE. So you may notice that my Eclipse Java is right now is version 2018-09 or September 2018. However, a new version has recently been released called 2018-12 or December 2018. So I'm going to show you how to update your software. One way to do it is to completely uninstall the old version of Eclipse and download the new one, but that one's a bit of a hassle. So I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. So you're going to go to your web browser of choice, and you're going to type in Eclipse 2018-12 or whatever version you want, and then software repository. And you can see here it says 2018-12 software repository. So you're going to click on that. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this URL right here. It's basically the same one up here. And now you're going to go to Eclipse, go to Window, Preferences, and under Install/Update, you're going to click on this little arrow. Go to Available Software Sites. So once you're here, you can click on Add. And for name, you're just going to type in the name of the version, so 2018-12, and paste in the URL, and click on Add. Now apply and close. You're going to go to Help, and check for updates. So you can see it's contacting software site, so it's checking. Okay, so it says available updates, and I'm just going to go ahead and select all, and next. Next, I'm going to accept the terms of license agreements. Finish. So you can see down here it says it's updating software. So now it's asking me if I trust these certificates. I'm going to click select all and accept selected. And now it's asking, would you like to restart Eclipse IDE to apply the changes? I'm going to click on restart now. And here you go, you can see it says 2018-12. So it's successfully updated the Eclipse version. If you notice before it said 2018-09. Now it's saying the workspace was written with an older version of the product and will be updated. So it's saying it might make the workspace can make it incompatible with older versions. And it's going to ask me, are you sure you want to continue with this workspace? And I'm going to say continue. And here we go. We have Eclipse 2018-12. And one last thing you can do to make sure that it updates on its own next time, you can go to Preferences, Install/Update, and go to Available Software Sites, and click Check on Latest Eclipse Release. Now apply and close, and there you go. Hopefully it will update on its own next time. If not, you already know how to update it manually. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.